So the thing is, when you work with an investment bank, does the investment banker really understand the story? They just go out to market and they say, here's the balance sheet, here's the cap table, here's the business model, and let's find the quote unquote clearing price. They're not investors. They're not investors, right? They're not the buy side. The buy side represents investors. Sell side represents investment banks that intermediate transactions. They help companies raise money. They're intermediating between the buy side, BlackRock, T. Rowe, Wellington, and then the issuers of the stock, companies that go public or raise shares through secondary offerings. That's what the sell side is, okay? They're not investors. So an investor approaching a company can have a very different conversation with the management, okay? So here's an example. We found this company. I won't tell you where, actually. Let's say Canada. Okay, we found a company in Canada. We spoke to them a few months ago, and they have the ability to generate a return on equity from new projects of like 20 to 30%, but they're constrained by access to capital, and their debt to equity ratios are too high, and they know it. They can service the debt. The debt's not an issue. In fact, they're taking out new debt every month because of each project is NPV positive, meaning the capital they get back, even within 6 months, is enough to pay back their initial capital. So they're doing these projects. I won't describe the projects, so I won't give away the target, and I won't give away the industry. Okay? High positive NPV. So they are issuing debt, but they're constrained on their path of growth because they don't have enough total capital. And they're too small to tap public markets for financing. Now they're publicly traded, but they don't have a liquid secondary market. So it's not easy to do a secondary offering. So that's where we step. Well, super interesting. So it's our day job to go scour the market for opportunities. What we do all day long. All day long. We find these companies like, it's a really cool business, but damn, they got way too much debt. I don't know.